Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Bless up, bless up. Yeah, man, people. So, I've been a man that out of the lot. You see me? So, differently, she come forward. You see me? For make a speech. You see me? I mean, he look good for the king, the doctor himself. Yeah, live good with most and with all them kids them actually. But in another video, I make it spicy. So tune in. Yes, so peeps, the video we me about to share my seat on the gram is a powerful long paragraph, so the speech worth it, is it?
Hi, I'm ikyra and welcome to my Disney channel. Alright, so this poem is called Brown Eyed Love, which I wrote for my recently deceased grandmother. Hope you guys like it. Let's begin. Brown-eyed love, who bound me in her arms and wrapped me in love, cellophane my heart and opened my eyes to the world. Brown-eyed love, who fed me words of wisdom, spiritually awakened me, opened my mind to knowledge far beyond my comprehension, planted me firm so my roots could grow. Brown-eyed love, who glanced at me with determination and fire, disciplined me with love and understanding, and showed me the meaning of family. Brown-eyed love, you mothered and fathered so many, and taught me the same, engraved peace and unity within my very being, and to never give up on my family. Brown-eyed love, how did you do it? How did you love so openly and boundlessly? Your unconditional heart shone beyond the cages of our soul and the helplessness of our world. Brown-eyed love, how am I supposed to let you go? How am I supposed to wake each morning and grasp the fact that you are no longer here? How am I supposed to keep living here conscious of a world that no longer holds your physical being? Brown-eyed love, I love you.
So viewers and subscribers, that speech was made for her grandmother. Is it? Yeah man, it's a good look. Like it differently. Beenie man go up on a one interview. I feel like share this one too. Is it?
Yeah man, you sing all me don't play them and them something. I want to catch him, but I ring the son, so I can't do nothing. Can ring the people the first microphone on a big sound system.
Okay.
Yeah, so
I see a question in here. A question, somebody want to ask, okay, who do you want to collaborate with next internationally? That was a question that was asked. On an international level, who do you want to collaborate with? I know you do with Janet Jackson, and you do with all these other folks, but who would you like to collaborate with? I would like to see you with Missy Elliott for sure. I like to see you and Missy.
Alright, me and Missy did some work before, back in the days with Timbaland and it. But right now, yeah, Missy Elliott with a wicked because she's back from the old school style and she's one of the rapper there, bad producer. Yes, that would be a good combination. Trust me. That if she's ready to come out with her next tune. You see? Right. But I am willing to work with any artist because this is where I'm at, you know? Music. I am selling music all over by me there. Yeah.
On all platforms. All the platforms.
Yeah, man, all platforms. Spanish, Manish, Ganish, Danish, anything. I sell music all over by music there, so. Music I sell around, so. Bye. Come here.
So, this is a question you maybe got asked a lot. Which one of your music is your most influential or you like the most? Out of all the songs you've done, which
Boogie
one
down.
you rate the most?
Boogie down.
Okay.
You know Boogie down? Come on, scream and a boogie down on the dance floor. Select up the mood. Come punch you when you hear a shot bust for sure. Because the place will up a hardcore. Man and woman get fed all door report. Enough mouth get shed and shut off the store. How the hell you fi call this night nice when the music make enough skull no bore? Ask them, have you ever take a track down a Ray Town? For hear all classic sound a boogie down. The same people politics separate music, make them all gather round. Now what you know, see the dance hall business gone to zero. Every champion sound in the business done disco. You now have no more king champion sound out a road where you play with the bus no more hero. Cause some boy wonder how you hear about Johnny Ringo. From Gemini and all the great volcano. King Tubbies and eat with them the sound they come out as dance hall hero. Make all when I scream and a boogie down on the
That's just a legs up and boom. Alright. Surprisingly, I would have said Zimmer because a lot of people, well, in America that is, love Zimmer, you know?
Yeah, well, Simma is worldwide influential because it's a song where break down all barriers. So, remember when we come with World Dance, the gate that open, and then we go with Romy and Girls Them Sugar, the gate that open. But since Simma now kick down all barriers, language barriers, every barriers get kicked down. So, it is the favorite song for the world. You ask me, what is my
Right, definitely. No, big tune goes, a big tune. If people really know if they're a fan, they really know, where you're from and stuff like that. Especially with all these dancing, a lot of people came after you, but when it comes on to music and dance, that Beenie Man is there.
Then my daughter is one of the best dancers in Jamaica.
Yes, for sure. Yeah. Well,
so you got the bad rate, you can't get it out of it. Yeah.
Alright, so anything you want to leave your fans with today? Like anything that you want the fans to know that listen, Beenie Man is here to stay. Beenie Man is here for the next 25 years.
Yeah, people look out for the album. It's called Simma. Wicked album. I tell you, wicked. That album around here. Yeah, just need to know that. Simma. Yeah, man. It will be out for the spring. The single will be releasing on my mother's birthday, the 31st of January. Yeah, it's called Fun in the Sun.
Fun in the Sun.
Yes, with Popcorn and J Island.
Alright, definitely looking out for that. And then, of course, where can we get all the merchandise?
You can follow me, Beenie Man, King Beenie Man at Instagram or Beenie Man Merch. BeenieManMerch.com, you just follow me on Instagram and you find anything you want. Follow me on Facebook and you find anything you want. Follow me on Twitter and you will find anything you want. So, the word King Beenie Man. That is
definitely. My apologies for not even going into a little bit of a little personal thing with you. I want to know how are you and your family compared to the corona? I know it's a big thing affecting us worldwide. And ask how you...
No, man, my family alright, man. Just give me more time to spend together, More time to know the younger ones and thing. So, yeah, man, we have been here for months, you don't know. So, Corona locked us down for months. So, my family okay, we're good.
And this didn't affect you in any way with your business, right? I mean, everybody's streaming music nowadays, so this is definitely, especially with Versa.
Seriously? Alright, the only thing affected about the corona is there's no big show keeping. You can't go outside and you can't see 20,000 people in one place and you can't see 100,000 people in one place. But otherwise from that, the music's still going on because this platform is great. Because everybody have a phone, all the man them have a banger, have Instagram. So, yeah, very good, man. That's nice.
Alright. Well, blessed up, it was an opportunity. It was great chatting with you here at NYSP. We create for the creative, and you're an amazing creator. You're very creative in the arts, and everything that you do, we want to keep, the blessings and power to you and your team, and everything you guys do. So, any last word, or that's it?
There's not last word. Last word is for dead people. Simma, the album, look for it.
All right, the king. Thank you for having a chat. Have a good one.
Every time, man. Thank you for having me, and thank you for chatting with me.
For sure.
Blessings.
Blessings.
Rasta.
All right, guys. So that's the king himself, King Beenie Man. Make sure you check out Simma. of course, coming out on his mom's birthday on the 31st. So make sure you guys go check that out and a lot more. So you're going to see a lot more with him and us. We'll be working with him on a few things. So stay tuned as we create and continue to create for the creative guys. So that's all we do here at NYSFE. You know, continue to be creative guys and be powerful. So thank you so much.